Hi friends, today we are going to see, think and share and act about the war and how to stop it. Yes, this is the right time we need to stop the war in this world and make this world a peaceful place. There is only one way that we can stop this war right now and also in the future. What is that way? The way is to choose compassion over cruelty. Yes, we can do one thing to stop the war, not just the Gaza war that I'm talking about. The entire war happening across countries, across religions, across different living beings. If we call Gaza war as a war and we feel that we can't do anything out of it, we are helpless in this situation, looking at the souls, looking at the young children, old people suffering, falling sick on the road is very, very unacceptable. This situation shouldn't happen at all. There is one way to stop it. If you think you can't act right now to stop this war, if you feel you are helpless for the people who are helpless at Gaza, today you can do one thing which will stop this war and the war that can ever happen in this world, ever, ever, forever. There is one way. That is choosing compassion. How? You are seeing a lot of souls like hens, chicken, goats, cow are being killed for its meat. It's the war humans doing against these animals. First, let's stop this immediately. We can act for 1 week, 10 days, or 20 days, or for 1 month to completely ignore eating non-veg, completely stop killing animals, completely stop making other souls suffer at whichever country you are, whichever place you are, whichever citizen you are, whichever religion you are, whichever caste you are, whichever you are. Just practice compassion. Let's start this for 1 week. The entire world is going to give voice. If we say these countries who are practicing war to stop war, first we should stop the war against animals and we should first choose the compassion and show the world that this is the way humans should live. This will definitely change every country, every leaders, every citizen of every country. Once this happens, just imagine there won't be any war in this world anymore forever. No animals will be killed. If you think a old man who is walking towards food, who never had food for last 7 days, while he is walking towards the food in the war location, is being shot dead. Can you even imagine this? Can you imagine a small girl got one piece of biscuit and she is splitting it into 6 pieces to feed her family? It's just one piece of biscuit. Why can't we share our food to people around us who are in hunger? If we start choosing compassion, let's start sharing the food. 1 and 2, let's stop killing souls. A soul is a soul without respect to the being it is, like humans or goats or cow or chicken or whatever else, a soul is a soul. While this compassion is seeded and grows in every human being, the world will see a new peace and the world will stop the wars completely. If you don't believe, just practice for 1 week and see. Let's join together to practice this compassion for 1 week, for 2 weeks, for a month. If we complete the month, I'm damn sure the world will stop its war. What's the purpose of human life? What are we doing? It will realize. So let's start this movement, global grace movement. We are not creating any souls. God creates every soul. God blesses every soul with its grace. If we kill these souls, we are stopping the grace. These wars make humans suffer, which is stopping the grace. The ultimate idea is to remove all the blockers which stops the grace. Once this global grace movement is enabled, is an act, no lives will suffer. Grace will save every one of us. Yes, this is the only way to stop wars at present and at future. Think about it. I will be waiting for your comments and shares. If we get enough comments, that is itself started this movement successfully. And if we share this, we will be knowing that this is spreading and the wars will be stopped ASAP sooner. Because souls are suffering, souls are dying. We don't have time. Let's start it immediately. Because we all have to think how difficult it is to born in this world. If you born in this world, there should be some purpose for it, right? So please think about it. Please choose compassion.